everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. I've come down early to see if I could get this grass trimmed, and you know what the problem is. Every time you come to do something with this trimmer, it's just pure problem after problem. I sent it off already, it worked. I trimmed about 3 times I got to trim. Come down, now this is gone all loose and funny, so I can't tighten it up there, but it's got a clip what clips in. And now come to try and start it, and just the same problem, won't start. So that's the problem what you have with these strimmers. This is a SGS. This is meant to be one of the good ones, and so far I've had nothing but problems with it from day one. Nothing but problems. Changed the strimmer line. They sent it off. They said it was the fuel lines and everything, and got it repaired. Used it a couple of times. Put it down. Come to use it, won't start. So if you've got a strimmer like this and you're having problems, let me know, because when I went on their site a while ago, I noticed they took off all the strimmers. That's because I think they know that there's a common problem with them. These strimmers should have like an electric starter or a key starter or something different than this pull business, because this pull business doesn't work on these machines. It was always causing problems. And now if you look around and see my grass, the grass is just going to get out of hand. You can see, although I've dug up the beds, this was my next step to do, and then once I've done that, then I'll start tidying up all the rest of the areas. But what can you do? You just have to do what you're doing and carry on, and hope for the best. But once you're working and you know all this grass is always going to be an obstacle, you need a solution for it, and this is the strimmer for it. And every time you come, it doesn't work. So tell me, what am I to do? I haven't got the funds right now to get another one. I've got other things to sort out. I paid a bit for this one, and I'm not getting. It's not fit for purpose. I'm not getting the use out of it. So if you've got one, a strimmer, this is a SGS one, or you've got another brand and you're having problems with it, just drop me a line in the comment section and let me know. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you. There's not much we can do down there at the moment because there isn't no manure. I wanted to bring, if there was some manure, then I would bring some round and spread it over the beds and everything. I'm going to have a look in my polytunnel in a minute, just give those plants a little bit of water before I go. I'm going to have to take this apart because I can't see it starting any time. I'll try again one more time and see. Right, it's got a prime button here, and you're meant to press this 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, and the choke is meant to, it's got a choke on this side, it's meant to be up. Your choke is meant to be up. And you can see it, you can hear it like it wants to go, but there's nothing there for it to go. I'll put the choke down and see if that makes any difference. Nothing. So that's the strimmer for you. So gonna have a look at it again and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm in my polytunnel and what I'm doing is just having a look at my peppers. And as you can see, I picked a bunch of mixed peppers. I think these are jalapenos. Don't know what these ones are. Basket of fire and some Scotch bonnets. Here are my Scotch bonnets here. They're not as big as the normal Scotch bonnets, but they're hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some other ingredients and I'm gonna do some Jamaican pickle with those. So instead of just leaving them on there, not going to use all of them. And I want to try and see if I can overwinter these. See them sending up new stems, so it's sending up new side stems and everything, so hopefully they should overwinter. My carrots right, the temperature in here is it at 11 centigrade, so it's not that hot in there, but you know, things still get done. I was going to put some water on them, but I'm not going to water them till Friday. I don't think things need a lot of water right now. I've got a couple of my melons off. Those ones seems a bit and I know some's fallen off now because I think the tree's done its time. I was hoping that my brother was going to come up this weekend, but I don't know if those two would last or they would fall off, but we'll see how it goes. So that's all I can do for now. The strimmer is a constant problem. I'm going to have to send that off and see if I can get it repaired. And I'm looking in here at the polytunnel. I'm going to have to one day get some soapy water and something and then move these things around and see if I can wash it down the inside without damaging these plants. So that's all you can do. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. Please watch the ads, it's helping us a little bit. We're not one of these big channels what don't need help. We need help all the time to buy seeds and do different things, so we'll have to get on with that. I've got to just sort out everything as I go along. The main thing what I wanted to do was get that grass strim because it's always a constant nuisance, but every time you come the strimmer causes problem, so we're not going to get that done today. So I watered the plants on Friday, so I don't think they need watering again now, so I'm just going to leave them till Friday. I'll come up and see what happens then. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.